How to fix Facebook's profile lock option not showing. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Facebook's profile lock option not showing. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step that you'll need to take is open up your Facebook. After you open up your Facebook, head over to the bottom right corner to your profile. Now initially you'll be on the menu page, so tap on your name on the top to head over to your profile. After you're there, tap on the three dots right here, right besides your account, to head over to profile settings. Now locking profile is right here. Now if it is not showing for you, the reason can be that your account is on professional mode. So if you turn on the professional mode, which is right here, your profile cannot be locked. So to lock your profile and for the lock option to be available, you will actually need to turn off professional mode. To turn off professional mode, you will need to actually head over to this very setting, that is profile setting, and instead of this turn on professional mode, there will be an option called turn off professional mode. Tap on that and wait for a few minutes, and after you load it, you will actually notice that the dashboard here will get removed, and after that gets removed, you can head over to profile settings again, where you can tap on lock profile and then lock your profile. And that is how you can fix your Facebook's profile lock option not showing. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.